Hey there, tech enthusiasts. I'll be showing you top 5 AI music generators in 2024. Today, we've got something truly exciting for all you music enthusiasts out there. We are diving into the world of artificial intelligence and music creation with our top picks for the best 5 AI music generator. These neural networks are not just your ordinary music makers, they are sophisticated platforms that can produce music across a variety of styles and even throw in some basic singing. Imagine having your own AI composer at your fingertips. Now, you might be wondering, how can you benefit from these AI music generators? Well, buckle up because here is where it gets interesting. You can utilize an audio generator to effortlessly create and store original tracks. Thanks to the power of artificial intelligence-driven music automation technology, the possibilities are endless. Whether you are into electronic beats, classical melodies, or something in between. But that is not all. Here is the real game changer. With these AI music generators, you can produce your own releases and distribute them to all the major streaming services and digital music stores worldwide. Think Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, YouTube, you name it. And the best part, when your AI-generated masterpieces are played on these platforms, you'll be raking in a share of the profits. That is right. Your creativity can now turn into revenue as your music resonates with audiences across the globe. So whether you are an aspiring artist looking for innovative ways to create, a music producer seeking new tools, or just someone who loves to explore the cutting edge of technology, you won't want to miss our exploration of the best 5 AI music generators. Stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, and let the AI music revolution begin. And leading our list of the top 5 is none other than Boomie's music generator, an AI-powered marvel that crafts fully produced songs at your command. Picture this, you want to create music, but you are not a seasoned musician. No worries, Boomie's got you covered. You don't need to know a single thing about music creation to kickstart your journey. It is as simple as letting your creativity flow, and Boomy takes care of the rest with its intuitive and user-friendly interface. Now, let us talk about what happens after you have crafted your musical masterpiece. Boomy isn't satisfied with just keeping your tunes confined to your device. Oh no, when you submit a release, Boomy works its magic and spreads your music across a whopping 40+ platforms. And we are not just talking about the big players like Spotify, YouTube, TikTok, and Apple Music, though it's on those too. Boomy ensures your music gets heard on numerous other major streaming services and retailers worldwide. Your music is like a global traveler reaching audiences far and wide. But wait, it gets even more exciting. Boomy not only helps you share your music with the world, but also puts money in your pocket as your tunes resonate on streaming sites and even in retail establishments. It is a revolutionary approach that transforms your passion into a tangible reward. Imagine, your music isn't just an artistic expression, it is a source of income as well. Boomy's innovative system ensures that artists are not just heard, but also financially supported. So whether you are an experienced musician looking for a fresh avenue or a complete newbie eager to dip your toes into music creation, Boomy's music generator is a game changer you cannot afford to miss. Our next top 5 on the list is a game changer for creators, Soundraw. Soundraw isn't just a music generator, it is your creative partner. Imagine this scenario. You have a specific vision for your content, and you need the perfect soundtrack to bring it to life. Soundraw empowers you to be the maestro of your own creation. What sets Soundraw apart is its user-friendly approach. You get to choose not only the genre but also the instruments, mood, length, and more for your music. The magic happens when you let the AI take over, generating beautiful songs tailored to your specifications in a matter of seconds. It is like having a personal composer on speed dial. But here is the real-time saver. Instead of spending hours searching for the perfect track, Sounddraw streamlines the process. You can simply describe your song's requirements to the AI, and lo and behold, it presents you with dozens of alternatives, allowing you to explore a diverse range of musical possibilities. The creative freedom is astounding. You can dive into various musical styles and tones until you find the perfect match for your content. Sounddraw brings a level of customization that redefines how we interact with AI-generated music. But hold on, the journey doesn't end there. Soundraw lets you take it a step further. Once you have found a piece you like, you can delve into further modifications, ensuring the music aligns perfectly with your content's unique vibe. It is not just about finding the right music, it is about making it uniquely yours. So whether you are a content creator, a filmmaker, a podcaster, or someone who simply wants the perfect background music for their personal project, Soundraw is here to revolutionize the way you interact with music creation. The third gem in our top 5 list, none other than AIVA. Whether you are a self-employed game developer, a musical novice yearning to explore, or a seasoned professional composer seeking new dimensions of inspiration, AIVA stands poised to be your creative muse. AIVA isn't just a music generator. It is a dynamic ally in the vast landscape of creativity. If you are a self-employed game developer, you understand the pivotal role that soundscapes play in immersing players into your virtual worlds. AIVA becomes your secret weapon, enabling you to harness the incredible power of AI-generated music to swiftly craft captivating themes that elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Now, let us turn our attention to the absolute beginners venturing into the enchanting world of music creation. AIVA welcomes you with open arms, providing a user-friendly interface that breaks down the barriers of technical complexity. You don't need to be a musical virtuoso to weave beautiful melodies. AIVA ensures that the canvas of creativity remains open to all. But that is not the end of the story. AIVA doesn't just cater to beginners and game developers. It is also a playground for accomplished professional composers. For those well-versed in the language of music, AIVA serves as a dynamic tool, sparking new ideas, offering innovative perspectives, and pushing the boundaries of traditional composition. Imagine having an AI collaborator by your side, one that adapts to your needs, understands your artistic vision, and enhances your creative process. AIVA is not here to replace your expertise, it is here to complement and amplify it. Now, let us delve deeper into the transformative power of AI-generated music. AIVA empowers you to leverage this cutting-edge technology to swiftly create engaging themes for your projects. Whether it is a game, film, or any other creative endeavor, AIVA brings a unique blend of innovation and accessibility right to your fingertips. In conclusion, whether you are embarking on the thrilling journey of game development, taking your first steps in music creation, or seeking new horizons as a professional composer, AIVA is your steadfast companion. It is not just about creating music, it is about unleashing your creative potential with the transformative power of AI. Landing at number 4 is the phenomenal Soundful. Hold onto your seats because Soundful is not just a music generator. It is a game changer with exclusive song synth technology, paving the way for a new era of music creation. Now, let us talk about what sets Soundful apart. It is revolutionary song synth technology. Imagine a world where you can generate and download original, royalty-free tracks effortlessly. Soundful makes this a reality. There is practically nothing easier than this. It is not just about convenience, it is about unlocking a world of creative possibilities at your fingertips. What makes Soundful truly stand out is its commitment to user-friendly and flexible song creation. This platform, powered by the most cutting-edge technology, provides you with the most flexible, fully customizable song creation experience available. And here is the kicker. Get smarter every day. Soundful is not just a tool. It is a creative companion evolving alongside your musical journey. Creating your own tracks with Soundful is a breeze. All you have to do is select a genre, alter your inputs to match your creative vision, and let the magic happen. The platform empowers you to produce tracks effortlessly. Want to experiment with different genres or fine-tune specific elements? Soundful is your playground. Continue this process until you discover the perfect track for your project. It is that simple. But here is where it gets even more exciting: the flexibility. Soundful's platform allows you to tailor every aspect of your track, from the instruments used to the mood, tempo, and more. This level of customization ensures that each creation is unique and perfectly suited to your artistic vision. In essence, Soundful is not just a music generator, it is a creative playground that adapts to your needs and preferences. As you explore and create, Soundful learns and evolves, becoming an even more intuitive and responsive tool for your musical endeavors. So whether you are a seasoned producer looking for a fresh approach, a budding musician exploring the world of music creation, or someone seeking original, royalty-free tracks for your projects, Soundful is here to redefine your creative process. But before we move on to our last on the list, if you're excited about keeping up with the latest in artificial intelligence and staying in the know about recent trends and advancements, it is essential to hit the subscribe button on our channel. You will discover a wealth of content focused on AI updates and detailed tutorials delving into the complex realm of technology. As we round off our thrilling exploration of the top 5 AI music generators, we land the innovative shores of our fifth contender, Embark. Positioned at the pinnacle of our list, Embark is not merely a music generator. It is a groundbreaking platform with a mission. The goal? Democratize music creation, making it accessible to anyone regardless of education, experience, and resources. Embark is driven by a lofty ambition to empower every individual to express themselves musically. No longer confined by traditional barriers, Embark develops tools powered by its creative AI, designed to assist users in not only producing but also modifying creative music. It is about turning your musical ideas into reality, irrespective of your background or expertise. Now, what sets Embark apart from the rest is the sheer magnitude of its musical arsenal. Over 1 million different samples and thousands of instruments come together to form the heartbeat of Embark's system. This vast library ensures that your creative palette is virtually limitless, allowing you to explore and experiment with an extensive range of sounds and tones. But here is where the magic truly lies. Each and every sound with Embark has been meticulously crafted or created through hand recording. This attention to detail ensures that the quality and authenticity of the music you produce remain at the forefront. The human touch in crafting these sounds adds a layer of emotion and richness, elevating the entire music creation experience. Embark isn't just a tool. It is a gateway for aspiring musicians, hobbyists, and seasoned professionals alike to express their creativity. Its intuitive interface and the robustness of its AI-driven technology make it a playground for musical exploration. Imagine having the world of music at your fingertips, and all you need is your imagination to bring it to life. Embark's commitment to democratizing music creation aligns with a vision where everyone can be a composer, a producer, and a performer. So whether you are a seasoned musician looking for a new tool to enhance your craft, a curious beginner eager to dip your toes into music creation, or someone who has always dreamed of expressing themselves musically, Embark is here to turn those dreams into reality. And there you have it, music enthusiast. Our exploration through the fascinating world of AI music generators concludes with a glimpse into the future. As we move forward, the landscape of generative AI music software is set to evolve and advance in sophistication. With significant investments in research and development, we can expect groundbreaking instruments that will redefine the way we create and experience music by the end of this decade. It is important to acknowledge that, despite the incredible progress in AI music generation, the essence of the best music still originates from the depths of a person's personality. It is the human touch, the emotions, and the ideas that can be expressed through music, often in ways we never thought possible. As of now, I haven't encountered a machine-made product that truly captures the caliber of artistic skill and intuition the human musician possesses. However, the role of artificial intelligence in the creative process is undeniable. It serves as a powerful tool, enabling artists to prototype concepts more quickly and providing the ability to build fresh audio layers on existing tracks made from scratch. The only limitation is your imagination, much like any other creative tool or application. As we embrace these technological possibilities that AI brings to the table, let us not forget the core of music, the ability to connect, express, and evoke emotions. Whether it is a machine-generated melody or a human-crafted composition, the true magic lies in the impact it has on our hearts and souls. Thank you for joining us on this musical journey. If you have enjoyed our exploration of AI music generators, don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and share your thoughts in the comments. The future of music is a harmonious blend of human creativity and technological innovation, and I cannot wait to see where it takes us. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.